Imagine a world where AI is the driving force behind every sector. What would that look like by 2027? Picture this: our healthcare systems, driven by AI, detecting diseases even before symptoms emerge. The automotive industry, dominated by self-driving cars that flawlessly navigate our cities. Classrooms transformed with personalized AI tutors enhancing education. In agriculture, AI-powered systems optimizing crop yields and reducing waste. Financial industries leveraging AI for risk prediction and investment strategies. Energy sectors using AI to optimize power grids and reduce carbon footprints. Industrial automation achieving new heights of efficiency powered by AI. These are not just fantasies, they are predictions of a very near future, where AI significantly contributes to key areas driving innovation and efficiency. The transformative potential of artificial intelligence is immense, poised to reshape various sectors of our society. As we stand on the threshold of a new era, the potential of AI seems limitless. The United States, China, and Canada are leading the race in AI development. These nations have become the epicenters of technological innovation, with their researchers continually working on refining the software that powers artificial intelligence. From the bustling tech hubs of Silicon Valley and Shenzhen to the research-laden corridors of Canada's universities, brilliant minds are pushing the boundaries of machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. In the United States, companies like Google and Tesla are at the forefront of AI advancement. Google's DeepMind, for instance, has been making waves with its cutting-edge algorithms, while Tesla's self-driving technology is a testament to the power of AI in transforming the automotive industry. China, with its ambitious AI development plan, is not far behind. Companies like Baidu are pioneering the development of intelligent systems, and their work is playing a significant role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, Canada is making its mark through research and innovation. With its strong emphasis on AI ethics, Canada is setting the standard for responsible AI development. Then there's IBM and Microsoft, two tech giants that have been investing heavily in AI. IBM's Watson is renowned for its cognitive computing capabilities, and Microsoft's AI research division is working tirelessly to push the envelope of what's possible with artificial intelligence. These countries and companies are shaping the future of AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their work today is paving the way for a future where AI is integrated into every aspect of our lives, creating a world that's smarter, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. AI is not just a concept, it's already changing the world around us. Let's take a closer look at how AI is already transforming various sectors, driving innovation and efficiency. In healthcare, for instance, AI algorithms are being used to detect diseases such as cancer at early stages, potentially saving countless lives. At the same time, AI is also personalizing treatments and improving patient outcomes. For example, Google's DeepMind health platform uses machine learning to analyze medical data and provide personalized health recommendations. Moving on to the automotive industry, AI is the backbone of self-driving technology. Tesla, a leader in this field, uses advanced AI algorithms to interpret data from sensors and make decisions in real time. This has the potential to drastically reduce road accidents and transform our daily commutes. In education, AI is reshaping learning experiences by providing personalized learning paths for students. AI-driven platforms like Microsoft's Azure analyze a student's performance and adapt the curriculum to their individual needs, making learning more efficient and engaging. The agriculture sector, too, is reaping the benefits of AI. IBM's Watson Decision Platform for Agriculture uses AI to analyze weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health, helping farmers make more informed decisions and increase their yield. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraudulent activities and make financial forecasting more accurate. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of financial data and detect anomalies that might indicate fraudulent behavior, protecting businesses and consumers alike. In the energy sector, AI is helping to optimize energy consumption and reduce carbon emissions. AI algorithms can predict energy demand and adjust supply accordingly, making our energy systems more efficient and sustainable. Finally, in entertainment, AI is changing the way we consume media. Algorithms can now recommend movies and songs based on our past behavior, creating a more personalized and engaging experience. These case studies prove that AI is more than just a buzzword, it's a game changer. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we find ourselves confronted by a myriad of ethical and social challenges. These technologies, while promising to revolutionize our world, also carry the potential to disrupt and displace. Job displacement due to automation, for instance, is a significant concern that warrants our attention. Equally pressing is the issue of privacy. With AI's ability to gather and analyze massive amounts of data, questions about what should be collected, how it should be used, and who should have access to it are more pertinent than ever. Bias in AI is another major concern. A machine learning model is only as good as the data it's trained on. And if that data reflects societal biases, the AI will too. The result? A perpetuation of existing inequalities on a potentially global scale. Moreover, the use of AI in critical decision-making processes raises ethical questions about accountability. If an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, who is to blame? The manufacturer, the software developer, or the machine itself? These challenges underscore the need for responsible and inclusive development and use of AI. It's not just about advancing technology for technology's sake. It's about ensuring that this advancement benefits everyone, respects our rights, and upholds our values. As we embrace the future of AI, we must also confront its challenges head-on. It's a balancing act, no doubt, but one that we must master to unlock AI's full potential and promise. The AI revolution is upon us, and it's transforming the world as we know it. We've seen how the United States, China, and Canada are leading in this development, with companies like Google, IBM, Tesla, and Microsoft at the forefront. The impact is clear across sectors, from healthcare to education, agriculture to finance, energy to entertainment, and beyond. Artificial intelligence is driving unprecedented levels of innovation and efficiency, shaping a future where machine learning and automation become everyday norms. Yet with this transformative power comes significant challenges. Ethical and social considerations are paramount, ensuring that these technologies are developed responsibly and inclusively. But let's not forget, these challenges are part of the journey towards progress. They stimulate dialogue, spark innovation, and ultimately guide us in harnessing the full potential of AI. By 2027, AI will be at the heart of our society, driving innovation, efficiency, and progress. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.